see what's in this box, Fridge. Vegetables. First we got fruits and vegetables. Here is a carrot. And if you cut it up, it would look like this. Carrots are orange, so is this peach slice. Also this pepper. And also this, pineapple. You can just break that. And also this corn. We're gonna start with a new color now. Red. A red pepper. Another red pepper. That is, let's see, up, and a red strawberry. Now we're gonna do green stuff. A green pepper, green cucumber, green lettuce, more like light green lettuce, a pear, I hate pears, grapes, more green lettuce, more lettuce, more lettuce, and this is kind of like red and green watermelon. What's this?
Bok choy.
What?
It's called bok choy cabbage.
And this is like a white and green bok choy cabbage. Actually, yeah, now we're gonna do just like purple and white stuff, if you can say it. Well, like white and other colors. So yeah, these are pretty much the same thing. An onion, a purple and white onion. What's this?
Eggplant.
This is a purple eggplant. And this is a potato. Now we're just gonna put it all back.
Bless you.
Thank you. So next we have the Dunkin' Donuts box, this Munchkin box. Let's see what's inside. Ooh, yum! A plain donut. Looks delicious, actually. Next is a strawberry donut. Now that actually looks very good. This is a chocolate donut. My favorite. Best kind of donut ever. And there's one last donut. Another strawberry donut. Wait. Yeah, no, wait. This is cherry donut.
Okay.
So these are like all crunchy dessert stuff. And yeah. So first is a crunchy ice cream cone. Another crunchy but pointy ice cream cone. And another ice cream cone. Just like a cup. So that's a cookie. Chocolate chip cookie. This is chocolate. This is an Oreo cookie. This is a piece of pie. This is a pretzel. This is another pretzel. This is a chip, which is crunchy. And these are all crackers, which are crunchy. Oh, this is a pie. This is a croissant.
Pie.
This is another pie. This is a peanut. This is bread. And that's it. Next we have ice cream. So first there is a popsicle. That looks delicious. It kind of looks like perfume. A perfume bottle if you turn it around. So let's just put it over there. Let's put ice cream. Ooh, this looks like delicious ice cream. Chocolate and vanilla. Next we have this cone. Let's just put, which cone? Ooh, that looks good. Vanilla ice cream on a cone. Next we have this.
It doesn't fit.
It just pops on there. And it's so here you go.
Hey.
And there's one last one. Another strawberry, but little ice cream. That looks delicious. What else is in the fridge? Now those just look like all kinds of meats. Except for the egg, though. These are all proteins and healthy, unless if you're vegetarian. So, this is an egg. Fried egg. Well, I mean, scrambled.
No, fried egg. Right.
Fried egg, yeah. And these are sausages. And this is a burger. These are for burgers. This one is also for a burger. Oh, it's a patty. There's 4 patties. This one is a turkey leg. Chicken, well, drumstick.
No, I chicken it.
This is fish. This is a fish. This is a big turkey. Let's see which one is bigger. The turkey. Let's see which one is bigger. Oh, the fish. And last one, a chicken nugget.
I have it.
Okay. Let's put everything back. What else is in the fridge? Ooh, these are all types of breads. These all have bread or crust. Well, except for this. This is pasta, but it's still part of the grain group. This is a hot dog bun. You can try getting a wiener to put in there. There. That's a pizza that has bread, crust. Oh, here's another thing for a wiener. Here's another hot dog bun. So there. Let's just put it over there. This is a pancake. Yeah, that has wheat in it. And this is a bottom of a burger bun. This is also another bottom of a burger bun. This is also another bottom of a burger bun. This is the top of a burger bun. This is another bottom of a burger bun. And this is a small top of a burger bun. And this is a waffle. And these are 2 hot dogs that we just made. Pizza. This is a pancake. You know what? We can try to make a burger. That's all the food's in the fridge. Now we just want to show you 2 cards that we got in a Happy Meal. So this is the other dog car. And we didn't put the stickers on yet. A cool shark one that my little brother put the stickers on. He did a wicked cool job. And he put those other stickers on the fins, and which looks awesome. Let's see which one would win in the race. The shark! Yeah, my little brother's one is way better. See you later for Fun Toys Party. Bye!